Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing where to store your copy and why that location matters. Reliability beats convenience. Plug an external drive or map a network share, and make sure it has at least 20% free space. Once done, open Settings Update and Security Backup to enable file history for personal files. Alternatively, open Control Panel Backup and restore Windows 7 to create a system image. Follow the prompts now to pick folders and target. Don't skip destination verification. Now you dig into settings and decide what to protect and how often. These choices determine recovery speed. In File History, add libraries, desktop, documents, and any custom folders, then set the frequency, 10 minutes for rapid change, hourly for typical use. If you need a full restore, create a system image. Include the OS partition plus recovery partitions, and select compression to trade space versus speed. Make sure to validate the backup plan, and start the first run so you have a baseline snapshot. Finish by running the initial backup and verifying integrity. You must confirm restorability. After the job completes, restore a single file to a different folder to prove the process works, and then schedule regular runs. Maintain at least 2 copies, an external drive and a cloud or network copy, and rotate media monthly. If something fails, check Event Viewer for errors, ensure the target drive letter is stable, and verify Windows Backup and File History services are running. That typically resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.